Hi everyone, my name is Reggie Dawson, and welcome to my course, Building React Native Applications using Expo. I am an independent developer who works on a variety of freelance projects. React Native, which is based on the popular React framework, allows you to build mobile apps. These apps offer performance on par with native apps while using the same code base for both iOS and Android. In this course, we're going to build a mobile app with React Native using Expo's tools and services. Some of the major topics that we will cover include configuring the emulator to host the project, setting up routing, using data from a remote source, and building the app and releasing it to the App Store. By the end of this course, you'll know how to build your own app using React Native and Expo. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with JavaScript. Some React knowledge would be helpful, but it is not required. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to build mobile apps with the Building React Native Applications using Expo course at Pluralsight.